In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore or recover previous versions of PowerPoint files. This is a handy skill that can save you a lot of time and stress if you accidentally delete something important or need to revert to an earlier version of your work. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the correct version of PowerPoint installed by checking the application updates, as these steps apply to the versions that support the version history feature. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to work on. If you don't have it readily available, you can use the File menu to open recent presentations or browse through your folders to locate the file you need. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to check that you are working on the correct file. You should see the presentation name displayed prominently at the top of your PowerPoint window. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, which is integral for the upcoming steps. This drop-down menu is your gateway to the version history feature, which allows you to access previously saved iterations of your project. Now click on version history from that drop-down menu. This feature is extremely useful. It automatically saves different versions of your presentation as you make changes. You might see a list appear on the side of your screen displaying a timeline of saved versions. Think of it as a snapshot of your work at various points in time, allowing you to travel back and forth to find the version you need. Next, scroll through the available versions. Each version is generally labeled with timestamps and change descriptions if available to help you identify the one you want. This will be your restore point. As you browse through the versions, try to observe the specific changes by opening the versions separately. PowerPoint allows you to view different versions without committing to any changes, ensuring you choose the most suitable restore point without losing any new changes made in your current working copy. Once you have identified the appropriate version you'd like to revert to, simply select it. A helpful tip is to verify all important contents before proceeding to ensure you have chosen correctly. PowerPoint might prompt you to confirm the restoration, and then it will replace your existing file state with the selected version. Remember, by taking this step, you'll overwrite your current progress with this older version, so ensure you truly wish to restore before you finalize this action. And that's it, you have successfully restored a previous version of your PowerPoint file. This process is particularly helpful when working collaboratively on a document or when you make significant changes that you later decide against. Make sure to save your work frequently, and remember to utilize this tool whenever you need to navigate between different versions of your presentation. Thank you for watching, and happy PowerPoint creating!